Hello students, I'm Professor Fernetovich and welcome to Bio 107. This is a welcome video for the late start section in fall 2020. Welcome, and I just wanted to show you a few things about our course. So as a late start class, this is going to be a fast-paced, accelerated version of general biology. And this is a biology course for people who are majoring in sciences or who are going into the healthcare field. So this is a very rigorous course, and it does require that students are prepared for that type of course. So we have two Moodle sites. I have one shown here. This is our lecture site, and then I have the lab site. You'll have to go between both of these courses throughout the semester. So please just be aware of that. All the lecture material is on the lecture site and all the lab material is on the lab site. What you'll be able to see here are course announcements. We have the schedule, the syllabi, information about late work, and then the course material. And over at the top of the page, right around here, is my contact information. Email is the best way to contact me. I check my email many times a day, and I'll try to get back as soon as possible. Please don't call my phone number. That is my office phone number on campus, and I will not get your message. I'm remote. I'm working from home, so as we all are, email is best for me. And we have similar material here on our lab site. Announcements, lab outline, there's a syllabus here for late start, and you'll start to see the course material. So a couple things that you'll need for the class. You'll need a good internet connection, and you'll need to have a webcam for this class. We'll be doing proctoring for exams through a web-based proctoring service. So you'll need to have a working camera on your computer. It needs to be, you need to be using Chrome for it. So you'll need the Chrome browser, and you'll need to download the web proctoring service, which I'll give you more information about that. It's used for all of Bio 107 this semester. Our textbook looks like this. It's Biology Concepts and Investigations by Mariel Huffnagels. This is just a general website. This is the textbook that we'll be using mainly throughout the course, but what comes with this is the Connect software, and you'll really need that. So while the textbook isn't that important, and you will have access to an online textbook or a printed copy if you need it, the Connect software is really what you need. You'll be needing the Connect software for lecture and lab. For lab, we will be working with virtual labs on the Connect software site, and we will do some hands-on labs. Down on this part of our site, you will see materials needed for at-home labs. Please check that out. You will need to purchase some things possibly. This is a comprehensive list, so it includes things like a ruler and plastic bags and some things you might have at home already. But many labs will have a hands-on component where you'll need to be doing something at home. You'll also be receiving very shortly your own microscope, and it has a kit that comes with it, and this is for Bio 107. These are free through the CARES Act funding that our school got. So it is your own microscope to have and explore, and I'm really excited about that. So some of our labs will be using those microscope kits. If you don't receive yours by the end of the week, please send me an email and let me know. They were mailed out last week, so you should see them soon. Besides that, you'll want to get onto the Connect website as soon as you can so you can register yourself for the course on that. You should have access to this Moodle site. And in the lecture, I have a link to our textbook in the Connect site. So please click on this. This link will take you to Connect, and it will integrate the lecture material and the lab material. You'll see a similar one for the lab. And so please do this for both the lecture and the lab so that your lecture work can get linked to the lecture Moodle site and your lab work can get linked to the lab Moodle site. I hope that makes sense. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me. You can get started on your work as soon as you can. You'll see that the material for Unit 1 in the lecture is due November 9th. So you have over a week to do it. Most of the lab material, labs 1, 2, and 3, are due November 9th, but there is some data collection for the whole class. So make sure to check this out. November 2nd is the deadline for data collection. I look forward to working with you. And one more thing, our class is all online and asynchronous, which means we do not have a dedicated meeting time, or we don't have any Zoom classes together. So this is all at your own pace as long as you meet the deadlines. Please check out Moodle several times a week to make sure you're caught up to date. I don't surprise you with anything, but make sure that you're responding to forums and communicating and getting your questions answered. So good luck, and I look forward to reading what you write and your work. Don't forget there's an introductory forum in the lecture so we can get to know one another. It's right here. Take care.